Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Part Question 37. How many moles of H2SO4 tetraoxosulfate 6 acid are there in 50 cm cube of 0.108 moles per dm cube solution of the acid? A. 5.4 times 10, B. 5.4 times 10 raised to power minus 1, C. 5.4 times 10 raised to power minus 2, D. 5.4 times 10 raised to power minus 3. So we have volume given to us as 50 cm cube, and then we have concentration of the acid given to us as 0.108 moles per dm cube, and now we are asked to calculate the number of moles. So when you are given volume and concentration, to get number of moles, all you have to do is volume in dm cube times concentration in moles per dm cube. So this will give you the number of moles of that compound. So in this case, 50 cm cube to dm cube is 50 divided by 1000, then multiply by our concentration is already in moles per dm cube, so multiply by 0.108. so this is essentially 0.05 times 0.108, and if you multiply this, it will give you 5.4 times 10 raised to power minus 3. 5.4 times 10 raised to power minus 3 is option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.